Scalenut is an AI content writing tool to use for long and short-form content. You can write blog posts and social media content using this AI tool. The SEO Assistant does the best job of writing content for your long-form posts, articles, and content marketing. In many cases, users don't understand the functionality of this AI writing assistant. But when used in the right way, you can reap benefits in resources and time. You can reduce the time of writing by giving sufficient input to this AI program. It is just an algorithm written for bloggers, marketers, social media, and business people. Scalenut review: doing it the wrong way? Initially, I tried to use the tool by simply giving some keywords to the tool. I was expecting that Scalenut would give me refreshing content not found anywhere else. But I was wrong. When you give some garbage to this AI writing tool, it spits out more junk. After all, AI content writing is nothing but extending the existing idea in sentences, words, and phrases into more content. Scalenut SEO Assistant, the right way. When I gave some paragraphs from existing content based upon the primary keyword, the AI tool was able to write better content. It is nothing magic. It is the power of AI content management platform. When you give the correct idea from different blog posts, this AI writing tool can give you sufficient leads to new content. In addition, when you add your opinion, the content altogether becomes more SEO optimized and ready for search engines.